Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's showbiz update guys, ganap ni Miss Janine Gutierrez latest IG update niya today. So ito yung shinare niya sa kanyang Instagram today. Then ganap niya nung November 17. Medyo matagal na, diba? November, but you live in the tropics. Nakatag yung bench, my son, Studio 24, Kenneth Tangonan. So, ito yung ganap niya noong November 17, guys. So, ayan si Janine. Actually, maraming artista dyan, guys. Sa 20th Grand Wine Experience. So, ito siya. Ito naganap, ayan. So, ayan. At Marriott, Grand Ball, Marriott, Only Wine, Only Food, Grand Wine Experience noong November 17. So, ito yung mga artistang pumunta dun, guys. Present sa event na yun. So, ayan. Of course, yung lolo niya, si Mr. Christopher De Leon and si Miss Pops Fernandez din, ayan. Magjowa sa Enzo and si Michelle with Kim Yap. Ayan. Then, ito naman yung latest sa IG. Caught the screening of the Essential Truths of the Lake today. Congratulations, love team. And, ayun, minention niya. So, ito naman yung latest IG update niya today. Nag-workout mode on Friday si Miss Janine Gutierrez. Ayan, good AM, nakatag yung coach niya, si Coach Inigo. Forever in my bench team, forever in my bench, active cycling short. So, ayan, with heart. Na yung mata ng emoji is naka-heart. So, ayan siya, workout mode on Friday. So, kamuntikan pa siyang mahulog dyan, te. So, ayun lang guys. Ayan, until double the weight, lol. Nakatagpo din yung coach niya. So, ayun lang guys. Uulitin ko. Kung makita niyo yung pictures and videos dito is due to the rightful owner contain Miss Janine Gutierrez update lang po sa workout mode on ganap niya today. The latest Instagram update. So, ayun lang guys. Hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love lahat. Ingat kayong lahat. Continuous Janine Gutierrez update sa ganap niya today. So, abangan natin kung ano pinunta niya dun sa newsroom ng ABS-CBN guys. Baka pasabog na naman. So, ayun lang guys. Ingat. Love lots.